Hey everyone, I'm Chris Campbell, founder of Smart Job Search. Today's Q&A Thursdays, where I take questions from job seekers who are looking to make more money and win the best job. The smart way, not the hard way. Ryan writes in from San Francisco. Hey Chris, quick question. Should I disclose my current salary to potential employers during the interview process? And if so, how? Thanks, Ryan W. Hi Ryan, thanks so much for writing in. While it's a short question, the answer is robust, but I'll keep it as short and results-driven as possible. In the Smart Job Search system, I teach people to never disclose their current or most recent compensation. Why? Because the hiring party will use that to make an offer that's minimally above your current compensation. It's like an insurance policy, so they don't have to make you an offer that's 20 to 30% above what you're currently making, even if that 20 to 30% higher salary is where the market is at. This is a bad deal for you, but a good deal for them because it keeps their overhead costs down. So the $1 million question, and when I say $1 million, I actually mean $1 million, because studies show over time that you could be losing up to $1 million throughout the course of your career if you only get a small increase every time you switch jobs. Why? There is a compounding effect. I digress. The $1 million question is, how does one avoid revealing their current compensation? And the answer is, you've got to do your research to calibrate your fair market value. If you don't know what that is, you can click on the link below after watching this video to learn more from our fair market value blog post. In short, your fair market value is the salary amount that's fair based upon your years of experience, skill set, and a bunch of other important factors. The job market and companies determine this a lot like how the stock market determines a stock price for a public company. Once you know what your fair market value is, you can then translate that into compensation requirements. So it's completely fair for you to require a base salary that's market competitive. You would not believe how many job seekers I speak to that are being paid under their market value, especially if they've been at the same company for an extended period of time. So it's critical that you know what your fair market value is when searching for a new job and stick to your compensation requirements versus disclosing your current compensation. If you don't know how to go about determining this, don't worry, I cover it in my blog post. For now, check out the blog post below, and remember that you are in charge of making more money every time you switch jobs. It's absolutely crucial that you play your cards right and avoid stating a number that will allow people to underpay you.